Good morning, friends. Again, we are here with English Kumar Bharati, Standard 10th. Today, we are going to learn the lesson The Thief Story. The Thief Story is written by the Indian author of British descent, that is Ruskin Bond, born in 1934. Is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in London, in Missouri, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dera for his published work in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. Okay. Now this story, the thief story, is in gist. I will tell you the summary of this, that there was a robber. Okay, he's speaking about this robber who met Anil. Okay, who met Anil, and what was his age? And though only 15, I was experienced and fairly successful hand. Means the thief was 15 years of age. Okay, at this 15 years of age he started to rob, and he met first time Anil. And what Anil was doing at that time, he was watching a wrestling match. Then this thief started mingling with Anil, tried to please him, and then after getting pleased with Anil, he started walking with Anil. And as he started walking with Anil, he started to speak to Anil because he wanted some job in Anil's house. And after getting some job, that is a cooking job, he Anil allowed this thief to stay with him. But the first day was very sad because this thief, was not able to cook. As he was not able to cook, the food prepared by him was not tasty. And Anil, what did he do? He threw that food to the dogs. And he made this thief to sleep in the balcony. Now, he saw that Anil prepared the food for himself and he ate. And Anil told that I will teach you how to prepare food. And this thief was taught by Anil how to cook food. Not only that, but Anil taught this thief how to read and write and count numbers. And that was and the thief was very happy for that, because he knew now once he's able to learn, he'll be able to get good money later on when he goes on job to others house. And what was the job of this thief? He used to go to the marketing, to the shopping, spend time in buying things. And this thief every day he used to make earn 1 rupee from the amount which was given to him for purchasing things. And Anil never minded if 1 rupee goes. And this thief was happy. And then he realized that Anil was a poet or a writer who used to write books, and he used to work. Okay, and Anil used to make money by writing books and publishing books and all. It takes time, and so he used to get little money. Okay, by short interval of time, by fits and starts. It is said, no. Can here you can see that. And 1 week he used to borrow money, next week he used to lend the money. So money used to not remain much. But whenever there was money, he used to enjoy it. Okay. One day, one evening, Anil brought the money, okay, notes, old notes, as he had received it after writing something in the magazine. So he brought that bundle of notes. As he had published the book, he brought that bundle of notes at night and he kept it under the mattress. Now, it had been nearly 1 month. This man, this thief, was staying in Anil's house. And now he realized that this is the best time for me to rob because Anil trusted him the most. But this thief said to himself that how difficult it is to rob a careless person like him who places his trust in me. It was easy for him to rob the greedy man or the rich man, but it was difficult for him to rob this simple man called Anil who trusted him the most. Anil had given him even the door keys so that he can come in and go out whenever he wants. That much trust he had placed on Anil. Now, when the real time to rob had come, he found it very difficult because he had not even practiced for so long. But anyhow, he took the money which was under his mattress and he started to run because he knew that at 10:30 there was the express to Lucknow. And by all means, after robbing and all, he reached to the station, but he was not able to get into the train. Not because that the train had left, but something was pulling him behind that not to enter the train. It was that trust which Anil had on him that made him to move back. And later on he decided that he will stay somewhere. But he was thinking if he stays somewhere, it is going to be a problem. Neither in the hotel or near the hotel near the platform if he stays. It's going to be a problem. So what he did, the best way to go is to Anil himself. So as he was turning back and walking on the way, it started raining. And due to the rain, he started running fast, and he entered a tower. Okay, the clock tower, and there he went and sat down. And as he sat down, he just touched the notes. It was almost wet. So he looked at the clock and it showed midnight. So Anil slowly in the morning, he would probably slowly started moving towards the room. Once he reached the room over there, he kept those notes under the mattress and went to sleep. Next day morning, Anil had already prepared the tea, and Anil came with 50 rupees note in his hand and told him that this is for you. And he was heartbroken, his heart shrunk. That, my God, now I think so. Anil has found out that I have robbed the note. But then he said to him, now this is what is this money for you. Now I can pay you every month. So this is what is for you. But then he was happy now that from now on he will be able to learn and he will give up this bad habit. From now on he is going to learn whatever Anil teaches. not for the sake of money in order to rob, but for the sake of learning, because he knows that it is going to be good. So then Anil started teaching him how to write sentences. But somewhere the thief knew in himself, in conscience, that Anil had found out that I had robbed this thing from him. But then he was smiling, and that smile made him to feel comfortable. So here this was the summary of the lesson, that is about the thief, written by Ruskin Bond. Now you can read this lesson and you will be able to understand what it really meant. Thank you.